Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you this beautiful new construction home. I personally think this is a great new construction starter home. This lot is actually on a basement. It is listed for $469,990 right at this moment. And as you know, if you're looking for a basement, it's very hard to find new construction basement under $500,000, but this gives you that plus 5 bedrooms and 2,800 square feet. I'm so excited to show you what it looks like inside, but thank you again for joining me. I appreciate everyone who's taken the time to click on the links in my description and download my ultimate guide to a seamless relocation to the metro Atlanta area. Thank you guys so much. And for everyone who took the time out of their day to send me an email or call me about relocating to the Atlanta area, I am here for you, and anyone else that's interested in moving to the metro Atlanta area. So now back into this home. This home is located in Locust Grove. This neighborhood I featured on my channel before, and they are starting in the low 400s. And when I say low 400s, I've seen some as low as the 404s, but right now currently what they have available, the lowest price home is $419, and that's the same as the model. Like I said, it's a great starter home, and I'm giving you a first look inside this home. It's not even listed on the MLS yet, so excuse the mess. But you know I am all here for bringing you the newest new construction. So this is what it actually looks like at this point. It can be done in 30 days. So if you want to see this home in person, give me a call. I can schedule a time for us to view this home as well as the other homes that they have available in this neighborhood. So give me a call. My information is right there on the bottom screen as well as in the description below. Enjoy the tour. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching the whole tour. If you're interested in this home or any other home on my channel, please give me a call. My information is in the description below. I'll see you on the next home tour.